Diana, need a ride?
Mr. David, yes, thank you.
Perfect, hop in.
Thank you so much.
You said your name is Diana, right?
Yes, it is.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
So where are you headed?
I was coming from my boyfriend's place, now I am going home.
Good, so you have a boyfriend.
Yes, why?
I wanted to treat you well too.
I am here, you can treat me well as you wish.
That's awesome. You want to go somewhere and have fun with me?
No problem, as long as you give me money.
Don't worry, I have enough. Wow, this place looks amazing.
I know, right? Let's go check in.
I can't wait.
Me too.
Ready for some privacy?
I thought you'd never ask.
After you.
It's beautiful. Thanks, David. Bye.
Wow, she was only after money, but she didn't know I'm HIV positive.
This was so quick to earn $200. Let me go home. I hope my boyfriend won't find out. I'm a stupid girl. My parents alerted me about this. What will I do now? I'm HIV positive, pregnant, and no one to take care of me now. I can't call my ex after finding out that I cheated on him. And now Mr. David can't help me. He always hangs up on me. He infected me with HIV. I have ruined my future. What can I do? Oh, help me! Let me call my bestie Lillian.